Today, I'm going to be showing you how to program these remotes to this car using this scan tool. This is a D7 by Xtool, not a paid promotion or anything like that. I bought this and it's been super helpful, and there will be links to the remotes and this tool. So let's go ahead and jump in the car, and on this you can also do screen recording. So I'm going to screen record. I also have this camera here, and you'll be able to see everything that I'm doing. Now that we're in the car, I've already plugged the other end of the cable into the OBD-II port under the dash. So we're going to take the Xtool D7, the D7 Xtool, however you want to say it. So we're going to turn it on. Now that it's on, we're going to go ahead and plug the cable in. And to get into the programming, I'm going to go ahead and put the key in the ignition. Alright, so we're going to go to auto scan. Go to USA, and validate this information, hit OK. Now here we've got automatic scan, which if we click on that, it'll go through and do a full scan of the OBD-II. So we're going to go to system selection, and we are going to go to transmitter code saving. Special functions, code saving. Alright, remove the ignition key from the key cylinder. Press OK, wait 2 seconds, and press the lock button on the transmitter for more than 1 second. Alright, let's go all the way back out. First transmitter is saved. Press OK if you want to save the other transmitter. Okay. Alright, now hit cancel, and we should be done. Okay, so now that we backed out of the programming, I gotta tell you, programming remotes for remote starts, alarms, keyless entries, that was a nightmare. Key on, key off, valet button, however many times, key off, button. This is so much easier. I just wanted to show you that with this tool, in a previous video, in a couple previous videos, I've used this tool. In one of them, I totally paid for this with just one job, programming 2 keys on a Dodge Charger. If you could see yourself using this, it's definitely worth it. I'll have a link in the description below for this, as well as for these remotes for this car. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and check out the link here, and you can go to their website and see what all this tool can do. And actually, they don't have everything on there. Also, check out the playlist on this car. I've got, I think, 5 or 6 videos up. If you got 2007 through 2010 Hyundai Elantra, you might find some valuable information.